Sorry guys, something just keeps on happening. But maybe if I go to color, I'm trying to get you guys to get to see it better. But no, color doesn't do much. How? Actually, I think that's pretty good. Well, for me anyways. Well, yeah. Alright, let's do this. As you can see, this is a new cruiser. You guys probably don't know about, but this cruiser is found. I don't think you guys can see, no. But if you find the Vinewood sign, it's better to see it at night. If you go there, you go up the hill, and there's like this little up curve ramp like thing, and it would be right there. You'll see it. Like, keep on going up higher than the Vinewood Hills, and then it'll be there. Trust me. But this video is all about patrolling. Yeah, let's get to that. I know it's kind of laggy for you guys, but for me it's pretty. It's actually perfect. Oh, what the hell? I misread. I don't care. I'm going. What time is it? I was gonna say we can go get the other police cruiser, but this one's quite fine. I do say so myself. Yes, we'll see if we can customize it just to see. I never tried customizing this thing. I don't think so, because every police car. It's not all that, but yeah, that's what I thought. Got vehicle cannot be modified. You guys just look like freaking trucks high. Wait, why should I go like that? I'm sorry, you guys, my freaking video sucks balls. I haven't made any YouTube videos lately. Let's chase here, but is that a cop still chasing? Yeah, there's a cop chasing. We'll find in random events. It's pretty fun. It's like you're a real cop, but nope. Where is this cop car going? Ooh. Are we seriously chasing the bus? Oh my god. This is the bus. Like, hardest thing you could possibly do. How could it go way faster than the freaking cop? And call for backup. Lights. Oh god. Looks like in front of this bus. Yeah, that's right. Stop. Can't run away from the cops anymore. Right, literally the only cop after him. What the hell? Was I even chasing the right thing? Yeah. Dude, I don't even think so. Yeah, it's going to Blaine County. But I'm not sure, but I think this game is like based on California. Pretty sure it is. I think that's what I heard from Rockstar. But, well, let's go mess up those guys, those bikers on the side. But, like, if you see any cop things, like, someone getting stolen by someone or something, maybe, like, someone needs help, then I'll help them. Oh, what the hell? That was what the hell? I gotta rewatch that. I didn't see that. What the hell? I literally didn't see that car. Like, no joke. Oh, someone needs help. Someone's car broke down. Actually, nah, screw you. It's probably gonna be like a time limit. I don't know. Probably gonna be like 2 seconds to get to like, I don't know, freaking town. It's probably gonna be like here, 2 seconds, all the way across the map. I like this cruiser. Oh, that car is neat. Where is this biker place? I know it's on Blaine County Road Highway. Sorry. I think it's like after this bridge on the next turn, like kind of shaped like this. Did we pass over? No, we didn't. Maybe it's gonna be like a shootout. Maybe we'll just try to attempt to rob something at the army base after patrolling. Oh god. Oh no, no, sorry. Didn't mean to. Sorry, bye. So, no black cars. Not trying to be racist or anything. Nope, not going on the base right now. They're on that lane. Alright, no. Oh, black car. Didn't see you. God damn it, I'm wrecking my car like that. Or the bikers should be like, here, we'll see you somewhere. Right here. But I think I took them all out last time.